is Mary Kate Cannon. I am the director of Puppets with Purpose. It's a group that was formed here, and it's where children that go to church here get to be part of a puppet troupe.
The puppet ministry is about 8 years old here at the church. One of the leaders of our church, who is a woman with great organizational skills, and she just loved to do that kind of keeping things organized, finished up her term, and rather than step up to be vice moderator of the church, she walked in my office one day and she said, "I'd like to be the person who starts a puppet ministry." Gone to the senior center, they've gone to the nursing home, they've gone to a few other churches in the Connecticut Conference. They've taken it on the road and done shows as a part of worship services in other places.
So the 15th, so everyone put that in the back of their minds whenever we have to wear all black.
Okay. So May 15th is our first performance.
It's a performance. We're performing 2 songs, Crocodile Rock and Walk This Way.
Wait, what's Crocodile
Oh,
Rock?
sorry, Sunday School Rock. Sunday School Rock.
Crocodile Rock.
Nice, Elena, looks great. There you go. She's actually looking right at me, that's good. The other time she'll look right at the ceiling. That's great, BT. I'm happy with that last performance, so we're going to do our second song.
The families whose kids and teenagers are involved, they're very committed to making sure their kids are here. They think it's a great learning experience. We've even used the puppet ministry as a Sunday school class for the older kids.
Okay, ready? Okay.